Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic Practical Geometry. I took exercise 4.2 from 8th class NCERT. Question: construct the following quadrilaterals. Here I took one question, quadrilateral GOLD. Given sides OL equals 7.5 centimeters, GL is equal to 6 centimeters, GD is equal to 6 centimeters, LD is equal to 5 centimeters, OD is equal to 10 centimeters. Here are some diagonals and some sides are given. So we have to construct a quadrilateral naming as GOLD. Before going into the construction of a quadrilateral, we have to take a rough sketch here. Then we get a better understanding about the original sketch of the GOLD quadrilateral. Okay, let's start rough sketch here. Take any side. So I am taking OL as a side. OL. This is OL as a 7.5 centimeters. So this is over. This is step 1. Next, coming to the from L or O, we have any connections, we have to check once. So here L we have GL. So here let it be G, here G, here O, L, D, like this quadrilateral. The sizes may vary, but here we have a points like this. So from L we have 6 centimeters from up to G. So this is a diagonal. So this is diagonal, right? So make L. From L we have to make a arc with the 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters. This is second step. Next, coming to the another one, GD. These two are here, but we don't know points of G and D where it has. So let's move into the LD. So we know L, but we don't know L. So we don't know D. So we have to construct LD line. So from L, take a 5 centimeters and make an arc like this. Okay, this is the third step. Next, OD. So here E to here, it is a diagonal. From O we have to take a 10 centimeters, then make an arc and make a point, connect these 2 points. This is the step 4. We have 1 point and here also 1 point, so connect it. So LD is equal to 5 centimeters. Now from D we get a D, so we have to found G also. So GD is equal to 6 centimeters here. So from D we have to construct with the 6 centimeters and make an arc and put a point, joint all points like a line. So this is the construction. So GD is equal to 6 centimeters. OG we don't have. So this is another here diagonal, that is LG is equal to 6 centimeters and OD is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is the construction of a quadrilateral GOLD by a rough sketch. From this sketch we have to make steps and make original picture also. So let's move into the answer. This is the answer. First of all, write the given. So given quadrilateral GOLD with OL is equal to 7.5 centimeters, GL is equal to 6 centimeters and GD is equal to 6 centimeters and LD is equal to 5 centimeters, OD is equal to 10 centimeters. Now make step 1. Take a base. So take a base as OL line with 7.5 centimeters. So take the base, take the help of scale and a pencil and draw OL as 7.5 centimeters. So this is from 0 to 7.5. Draw a line, naming it as OL 7.5 centimeters. Step 1 is over. Next, moving to the step 2, make a diagonal. So here step 2, make a diagonal as which diagonal from L. So here we have LG. So as GL is equal to 6 centimeters from point L. So from point L, take 6 centimeters. This is 0 and make sure that is 6. No point, that is 6 centimeters here. So make an arc from L like this. Next, step 3. Step 3 is make another diagonals from O also, that is OD. Make another diagonal as OD is equal to 10 centimeters from point O. So take scale and measure 10 centimeters. So this is 10 at O and make an arc like this. So here is the two diagonals we have. Next we have to move to the L or a O. So here O is over and OD is over. From L we have a point, that is LD equal to 5 centimeters. So step 4, make a line, that is side also. Side LD is equal to 5 centimeters from point L. So take the compass and scale and make 5 centimeters. So this is 5. From L we have a make an arc. So we get a point here. So let it be point D and join the two lines, those are L. Join the 2 points, those are D and L. So LD is equal to 5 centimeters. This is now step 5. We have to construct OD. Already we constructed, so we get another diagonal. OD is equal to 10 centimeter and join those two lines also. Here we get a one diagonal and two sides. Step 5, we have to make another side from O. So we don't have, from D we have GD. So make a side with a 6 centimeters as GD. So from point D. So take scale and measure the 6 centimeters. So measure 6 centimeters and draw an arc from D. We get another point, that point is G. So meet two points L and G as a diagonal and GD as a side, that is nothing but 6 centimeters. GL is 6 centimeters and OD is 10 centimeters. Now finally connect GO. We don't have GO measurement here, so that's why we cannot measuring this. If you want to have to measure this, put a scale and measure, that is a 4.4 centimeters. So this is the quadrilateral we constructed. So finally result, we constructed a quadrilateral GOLD with the given 3 adjacent sides and 2 diagonals given. So this is about the construction of a quadrilateral with a given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.